Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the yesterday's video, we have seen how to create this chart of accounts, fiscal calendar, and accounting currency and reporting currency. Today, let's see how to create this default exchange rate type. So to set this default exchange rate type, we can go to this default exchange rate type and right click and go to view details, and then it will take us to this exchange rate types. So this is one of the method where we can go to this exchange rate types. There is the other way we can navigate to this exchange rate types, that is from general ledger, setup, and let's go to this currencies, and here we can see this exchange rate types. So this will also take us to this exchange rate types. So from here, let's click new. Let's create an exchange rate for our entity, MAD X. Okay, that's already there. Okay, and click on this exchange rates and click new, and remember that our accounting currency is in INR, so two currency will be also be in INR, and the currency which we want to convert it to, that is USD, and click on add, and let's say that today's exchange rate is, let me take the exact exchange rate type, that is USD in INR. So today's exchange rate is 21.26 per $1. So let's put that and click enter, and in the bottom you can see that 21 rupees and 26 paisa is equal to 1 USD. This is how we can update our exchange rates. Let's close this, and before that let's copy this. Okay, better to remember this MADX exchange rates. So let's close it. Go to this ledger, in the default exchange rate, let's go to this drop down and select our exchange rate, and for default budget exchange also let's take the same exchange rate type, and done. This is how we update our exchange rate types. In the next session, let's see how to create these accounting structures. Thank you.